We traveled over 100 miles to go to these yard sales in this very small town in Virginia to see if we could find some items to flip online for a profit. Go off the beaten path. No. Yep, back here. How you doing? How's it going? The Merrill's, $2. Merrill's. Okay, how's it going? Crown and Ivy. It was cool to have this yard sale down in a basement. There was a lot of stuff in here, but we were trying to find something that we know about.
Used, very little, 15 bucks.
Today, 15, yeah, if you look up the model.
It looks like it's harder to part it out.
Harder down.
Is it you? I mean, you definitely get
It looked pretty clean.
Yeah, get ready to go.
Alright, we'll get the juicer.
Oh, you gotta get that juicer, bless your heart.
Yeah.
Love that thing.
Great, I've been wanting to sell that juicer.
Yeah, I'm gonna go put it in the
Somebody
box
needs
and
it.
stuff.
The box is there. You
Yep,
load it
I'll go
up?
load it up.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, you're right.
It's easy to carry.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going? Whoa.
Wow.
Look at that. The poster one. Mm-hmm. Some just unprinted ones. Been busy?
Y'all come from that town?
No, we're heading that way.
Oh, I don't want many people on.
Is it? What do we got?
Mayor, can you guys see some Carhartt?
You see
They're
that?
jeans, go see the tags.
No, I say blue.
Bulwark. Bulwark.
All of them same size, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, these are Carhartt. Just gotta see price.
HRC2. Fire resistant.
Yeah, those will do good. These are rustling. No, guess it was a driveway. Now the old cash register. Mm-hmm. Another ice
Take a
cream.
book on home with you if you want. I'll give it to you.
It's my boys. They love doing them.
Carol, I'll give it to them.
All right,
All
we're
right.
going to take 2 pairs of pants.
Huh?
2 pairs of pants.
$2, baby.
$2 a pair, so $4.
Follow the yard sale.
Yeah. They said let's swing on through here.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you much.
and thank you for the book.
Yes, sir.
What? Golf bags? They're full size. 50.
But I lost her phone number because I didn't, my phone won't keep it.
Hello.
I can't keep it from it.
I get a card text back. If I told you,
Yeah, let's take a look at that.
Yes.
I still make her
Yes,
some flower
please.
thing. I'm gonna take you a picture of the flower I made her yesterday. I made it in a big old glass bowl with some punch bowl and stuff in it. But she doesn't take care of herself.
I know.
She's taking care of the other stuff.
Okay.
All her children was home for
Okay.
July, so that was good.
That's what she was craving.
Oh, come on, now she paying for it.
I know.
And you can get nutty butters and other flavors and everything.
I think so. Get everything in different colors.
Tinkerbell. They got some old twin sheets in there.
Yeah.
And the other. I'm like, let there be, sure.
Yeah, like in there. I used, before the boys finished school, it was a young man that had some activity Saturday.
Rest of the walls.
And I used to carry him home.
The monkeys.
I don't know, but I used to carry him home. But it is a
Yeah.
regular track.
I was like, it's a basic snapback. That's just me. I just grabbed it.
Cool.
That's what it is.
Better than right around there.
Rams, Mr. Cartoon.
What they were when I was growing up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
If you know, if you know,
LA Rams.
some people
My
call
old folks.
it.
My mama had it, she dug them up. I raised
Yeah.
those and kept
Mr. Cartoon.
spread.
Now we were doing pretty good. They're doing a lot of construction over there. How cool was it? We went to a basement sale. Then we go to a church sale. That's also in a basement. But we don't really pick up these next couple items. I don't know a lot about glassware. Thankfully, thanks to YouTube and following a lot of great people that show you all kinds of different categories, I was able to find some of the best things that I've ever found in a while.
Because Mommy and Daddy used to have the wild head, and it's a silvery looking little leaf on its foot like. Can I get a piece? Dug me one up at the woods, but it
I need to grab that
I
out.
was so sorry.
Dumpster.
Oh, yeah?
That's the house. It's right there, you know what I'm saying?
Pass it out there.
And Diana should have her back
Oh,
there.
25 cents each.
Oh.
Yeah. No. Have you ever seen the Tom's jars?
Make sure I get y'all some.
Maybe once. I'm going to Google listed to see if I see any with the flag.
What's that?
I don't see any with the flag either.
It's the candy jar.
Bradley.
Bradley's candy.
Might as well.
Yeah, from Nashville, Tennessee. No, I'm getting it. Nashville, Tennessee. That's why you gotta use therapy, because it's free.
I forget about it.
Last one, $70.
Oh, let's forget about that.
Yeah, last one, $70. None listed. Alrighty.
Oh.
And I gotta seal your
I wonder how
sweet
much
pickles. Strawberry. Oh, see, pepper jelly. Plum
Pear
jam.
honey sounded
That's probably pretty
very
good.
interesting.
We're making our own jellies and jams at home.
That's fine.
Did a couple jars of blackberry.
Mm-hmm.
Just nice wild blackberry. Did plum.
Things early this year.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it crepe myrtle?
That gonna be it then?
Yes, ma'am.
You like caps?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we just.
We got a Harley Davidson behind you.
I saw it was a little too beat up.
Rough shape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe having that cap.
$27.75.
What was it?
$27.75.
My husband
Oh,
likes it too. He's got a whole shelf and closet full, and everywhere he goes, he wears his cap.
Mm-hmm.
I hear you. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all have a great one. Last minute. Right. Last minute. See what you got.
Yes, watermelon. We got
YouTube channel.
Oh, that's
I just love like showing what we got.
I like that. That's all right.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you doing the YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Y'all cooking some good food.
Yeah, we got.
Yep, YouTubers, come and buy
we
some.
got these.
You're right.
these
Let them come and buy some of these hats.
I've got one of those.
Do you? Okay,
Yeah.
good.
What were y'all doing on the shoes?
$100.
That sound. It sounds like the pitter-patter of money!
Urkel. Mr. Urkel.
Yep, $90.
Mr. Urkel.
My husband has had it for years. He passed away, and I'm selling it.
Yeah, he say all the stuff on the box. He say like 5.
Yeah, things were just too expensive at this yard sale, and I was like, oh my gosh, are we gonna be able to afford anything? But thankfully, we use our brains to look at everything. Most of the time, I miss a lot. But we know about some good vintage clothing, so let's look in the clothing pile. What you doing on your t-shirts?
$3.
$3. Oh, sorry to hear about your husband passing away, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of the things is here.
Right, I know. And like you hold on to it for as long as you can,
It's
and
been
then
3 years. It gets to go, sir.
Right.
I mean, I'm not gonna wear them.
Some of the stuff she ain't letting go though. That's why they here. It's a lot of stuff. Really more stuff she still's holding on.
That is true, but
Hey,
I
you gotta
wasn't gonna bring everything out here.
you gotta do it. You gotta do it in steps,
That's right.
in stages.
That's exactly right.
All right, I got 1, 2, 4 shirts.
4 shirts. Here you go. The bag for you. I'll give you this. I want you to try this, okay?
Okay.
This is the cream brulee,
Okay.
and
They should
this
give some of
here.
that water back.
I'll get
Oh, yeah.
the water, but now the water, just drink the juice.
No, that's okay.
Man,
My
it's so
boys are
good.
sitting in the back of the van. They will
Take you two.
tear
I'm
it.
give you
They will
two
tear it
then,
up.
Okay, 'cause I don't good,
Thank you so
and I
much.
thank you.
Well, hey, we appreciate it.
Now have a great one.
Y'all have a good one.
Yes, sir.
All in all, we did pretty good in this small town. We even got some good food from this lady. Not bad for stopping in a town with like a population of 2,000 people to make a couple $100. More footage from this nice little trip we took. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna leave you with a few of my intro outtakes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Pulled over 100 miles to go to this small town in Virginia to see their garage sales, and they're cutting wood in Virginia to see what garage sales, yard sales, pretty good. They're doing a lot of construction over there.